And I hope they don't keep her at work tonight for her to do no double shift. I can't even call her because she lost day. She was on the train 2 days ago and she just got that iPhone Pro Max 15 256 gigabyte. And it was in her pocket and they sold it. And due to the weather now, hopefully get that delivery tomorrow. Let me see if I could. Seems like she went to work because I don't see her. I don't see her jacket. I asked my mother when she went to work. That's how I tell you, you have to be careful. And you're wondering how